In this video, let's talk about how to use Robinhood Gold free trial. Now, in order to first of all use or activate the Gold free trial, you could simply head over to your profile, head over to the Gold section, and make sure that you activate the free trial, which is a 30-day promotional tier. Now, with the Gold tier being activated on the free trial version, you'll be able to access the premium tools, including the enhanced or the higher yield, and as well as the advanced data feed. So as soon as you have the free trial enabled, the first thing that you can do or check out is to toggle on the high yield cash. So simply head over to your profile and then head over to the cash management section, where it allows you to activate a variable of 3.35% APY, which is a higher percent than your normal account, and you'll be able to earn the higher yield or your uninvested brokerage balance. Secondly, what you could also do is review the level 2 market data. What you could do is open up any stock chart from the list of stocks that are available within Robinhood, and then you'll be able to see the option called a Nasdaq level 2 data. This allows you to analyze the deep order books, buy and sell queues to time your entries better. So these are some of the features that you get. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.